we simulate our daily practice during COVID-19 emergency. Before starting the visit of patients, first of all, we asked to the patients, let me introduce you one of our residents, Francesco, and we asked him if he presents some of influential symptoms like common cold, etc. And we measure with the thermographic camera if he has fever. If the patient is negative, we can go on and take to the patient the antiseptic gel in order to wash his hands in the best way he can. And now we take the mask to the patients and we check if he wear it in the best way. And now the patient is ready to go into our section to perform the visit.